being in nature, man, is so essential to connecting with the higher source when it comes to connecting with the root of life. You see, this right here is the root of life. You look at all these geese, you look at all the water, you look at the sun, man. Get you some sun. That sun is full of solar nutrients that will nourish our body, our mind and soul and spirit. We need the sun to have light, because where there's darkness, there is light. Look at the sun just shining on the lake. You see the reflection, you see the light, the reflection. You look at all these branches, you look at all the trees, man. Not the most impressive looking trees, but trees regardless. You see, we get caught up so much into the external side of things. We get so lost in the sauce of our own world, of our own daily grind. Living that mundane schedule, doing the same tiresome routine every day of our life. We need to really teach ourselves that there is more than life than just working a 9 to 5 every day. There is more than life than just paying your taxes. There's more than life than just paying your bills every month, than paying your car payment. There's more than life than just going out partying every Friday night with your friends. There's more than life than trying to be someone that you were never meant to be. When I look at nature, I look at animals, I look at the water, I look at the sun most importantly. I see a new wavelength of energy that's coming my way. You see, it helps me put things in perspective, that my life is so much more valuable than what was put out in front of me, than what the hand of cards that I was dealt with. You see, where everything becomes too noisy, when things become too overwhelming, too much for our soul, our mind and body to fathom, this right here is necessary. You see that in the middle, the water springing up. It's like a spring lake, man. One of my favorite seasons is coming up pretty soon. Spring. Man, do I love spring. It's the season I was born. It brings me more energy, life. It brings me more desire, determination. It just brings the best out of me. And I can feel it. I can feel the vibration, just being here. Because this is where I go to escape. Escape the world. Escape the struggle. Escape demons. Escape evil forces that try to prevent you from coming up into this world. We all need a new perspective of life. We all need to keep constantly changing our mindset, upgrading it, being more mindful of who the people we want. Be more mindful of who we hang out with, who we decide to associate ourselves with, who we spend our time with. We need to start being more mindful of the energy that we are taking in from different entities of this matrix. Because the people that you hang around with all the time, every day, they may not be on the same wavelength that you are on. They may not be on the same vibration that you are on. You can love them from a distance, sure. But I recommend you, for the betterment of your overall health, for your continued growth and your progression in life, I recommend that you love them from a distance. And you spend less and less time with those energy vampires. You see, what's going to happen is when you keep hanging out with those energy vampires, bro, whether it's your family, your friends, co-workers, whoever, they're around 24/7. They're around in your workplace, they're around in your household, they're around in parties that you go to, they're everywhere. You can't escape them. But there is one place where you can detach yourself from all of that, and that's here. Get you some nature. Start connecting with the source, bro. You see, right now, I'm facing the sun right now with my eyes. I'm letting that sun nourish my face. I'm letting it just nourishing my whole body. I'm about to come out here barefooted one day, man. I'm about to come out here shirtless, no shoes on, no socks, nothing on except maybe a pair of shorts, whatever. Because I need to feel more in tune with Mother Nature. This is God's, the Most High's creation. If he wanted us to live in dark for the rest of our life, the sun would never exist. Understand that. The sun would never exist if darkness was only supposed to be around. There would be no sun. You see, we need the sun for a lot of things, but that could be a separate video for another time. I'll say one thing why we need the sun: to bestow light upon our foggy minds. Yes, foggy minds. Sometimes our brain can become foggy. Because you see, we go to a job 24/7, 9 to 5 every day. And all we're focused on is the money. We're focused on getting the hell out of there, clocking in, punching out. That's the norm. That's the everyday thing. That's the usual. That's the same shit, different day mantra. It don't ever change. It's so of the same cycle. It's the cycle that needs to be broken. Remember that video that I made a couple months ago where I said the key to happiness is loneliness. Because when you're around so many people, you kicking it with a bunch of energies. right? You want to be in the crowd so much. You want to be in the thick of things with other people. But through that, you know those people are not good for your life. They're not positive energy folks. They're not full of positivity and free-spirited individuals. You know these people are weighing down your life. Because when you are alone, there's a different vibration that starts. It starts to kick in. The fact that you become one with yourself, you start to develop self-love for yourself, that you are multidimensional, that you are full of greatness, full of potential, and nobody can steal your self-love. Nobody can take away your creativity, your uniqueness. All those attributes come from being alone. You get to a point in life where you're no longer interested in spending time with these fake friends, family members, whoever it may be. You value your time alone more than you value your time with somebody else, especially when they're not trying to see you come up in this world. They want to keep you at the same level that they are on. You got to escape, man. Escape the matrix. Not in the way that other people may say to escape the matrix, but this is, for me, this is how I escape the matrix, man. I just live in the moment. I live in this moment. Nothing else matters to me. Everything is off my mind. Because I feel connected with the source. The source gives me power. The source gives me a higher vibration. It sets a new level of frequency within me. It helps me understand myself, understand myself better. This is the only piece of nature that I got. Nature is the only thing that we have, bro, to attach ourselves to. When we are so focused on the internal, that's all we can attach ourselves to is nature. That's one thing these evil forces, man, these fourth dimensional beings cannot take away from us. They can't take away the sun. They just can't snatch that shit up and put it down and underground. They can't. They will die. They will die. So take some time out your day, man. Whether it could be an hour, a couple of hours, whatever. At least one day a week. Come out here and gain a new level of perspective of your life by attaching yourself to Mother Nature, because it can help you in your journey of life, whatever that may be. Block out all the noise. Get rid of all the toxic individuals that are clouding your life. The sun's out heavy today, no black clouds. Perfect day. Perfect day to get your mind right and clear out all the fog and clear out all the bullshit, man. Straight up. This is the enlightening Black Sheep. I'll catch you on the next video, man. Y'all have a great day.